Here's the plan. We're going to disassemble the GAZ66. The most important thing is to take off the body carefully. Then we will uninstall everything else. And most importantly, do not drop the Mercedes. Guys, it's time to uninstall the car body. How long have you been waiting for this? I suppose all my life. Are you excited? Indeed. The most important thing is to take off the body carefully. 3, 2, 1, go. Do it carefully. We talked about it from the very beginning. I think in slow motion, it'll look fantastic. Plus, it flew up. We forgot about the fuel tank. One more important thing was to take off the tank carefully. It's okay. It took off by itself. Was it a fuel tank? Yes, it was. Let's try to remove this part carefully. Now we are to do the same with the driver's cabin. They did epic destruction of this car. The process of destruction dragged on for quite a long time. But today, it'll finally be renewed. Or rather, transformed. It's time for Ilya Crane Man. Uninstallation version 2.0. We're taking off the driver's cabin. How do you feel here? It's scary enough. I think it won't come off. It's rotten but still durable. Why doesn't he use glasses? Or does he like to get shards out of his eyes? He doesn't even look there. See? He's sawing like this. Yes, he plays it like this and plays the phone with the other hand. That's all. The dismantling process is over. All that remains is to saw off all the excess parts from all sides, remove the spare tire, and take off the glove compartment. After that, we can start the fusion of the cars. Five hours later, we're ready to mount the new car body. It's quite a tense moment right now. We are to place the Mercedes car body. If something goes wrong, the body may be damaged, or the fenders or doors may be dented. Our task is to be as accurate as possible, so as to not damage the car. Despite the fact that it's destined for off-road, I want the car to look worthy. It's a very scary moment. Look, it's rising up normally. The arrow stretched almost completely. Why is it going down? Why is it loosening? What's wrong? We'll check it out and fix it. Now we have solved one of the main problems: the joint of the steering shaft of the Mercedes and the GAZ 66. Since the GAZ 66 doesn't have a hood, you are sitting directly above the steering mechanism. The shaft output was directly up. We need to change that. We took this one from the common truck, which has the steering shaft coming out as we need it. Furthermore, we have already finally connected the car body to the frame. Here it is connected using such brackets, which are a continuation of the Mercedes spars. There is the non-rigid fastening of the cab because there are such rubber pads. Here we attach to the strongest rear part of the car. We welded such a channel bar to the subframe. Here we have such a powerful rubber pad with such a powerful bolt. There are two fastening in the front and one, but very powerful, in the back. We are finally done with the steering system. We re-welded the gearbox from the GAZ 66. By this welding seam, you can see that we changed it completely upside down. Also, we had problems with Y-piece, so we had to refit the slots on it. We made the steering shaft with a small fixing rack, so the scheme works. This car can already start the engine, change the gear shifts, and most importantly, it can pull over. Tell me how to drive this car. There's the gas from the right and then the brake. Wait, ask him where the clutch is. The clutch? I think it's this pedal on the left, which was the handbrake. Yeah, this is the clutch. I like this poker stick best of all. I've already guessed what it is. It's obviously a gear shifter. How to turn on all-wheel drive and so on. We decided that it is just included, but if you really need it and you are going to another city, then look here and switch it. Here is our version of the gear shifter. I wonder how he even guesses it. It's a real quest. Actually, it's very easy. We did a good job. This is the back shift. Unfortunately, the gearbox is too close to the headlights. We thought that the straight lever with long gearing will be usable, but it turned out that the gearing is too long. Therefore, we have to use the pull rod. Let's drive this handcrafted monster. Look, it even starts with the key. If this hole is sealed, it won't be so noisy. It's already quieter than in the GAZ 66. It wasn't impossible even to talk there. The sound seems to be muffled here. We can't adjust the steering wheel for some reason. And the seats too. I can barely reach the pedals. If we put everything in a back seat, it feels like driving in an ordinary car, but we're jumping up harder. I think this is the first Mercedes W140 for off-road. Guys, this chinchilla, as we call it, right? Yeah, we already get used to calling it chinchilla because we like it this way. Whatever it is, it turns out to be a very powerful thing. In the next video, we will do tuning, take care of the front part of the car, the hood. We will make it good looking, and of course, we will take a drive. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. See you soon.